All right, you guys, I am back. You're going to see a series of videos. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing because I'm recording them all this in a weekend setting. Got a lot of construction going on behind me, building out some stuff. Got some stuff in the pen, but I just want to say hello. Um, I'm back. I never left. I stopped doing the YouTube thing because I was focused on building a really vast education library and a team of really good traders, and that's done. Um, but I'm back here. I'm going to be posting every day. Um, you're going to see a lot of really cool stuff from me. I'm going to showcase some of that stuff here on what I've been up to. But basically, I got a small team of guys. I've been working with them for about 3 years, um, crushing it, right? We mainly trade ESNQ futures. We trade gold, oil. Um, used to trade some ZB and ZN. Don't trade that so much anymore. But very, very, very active. So I'm going to show you what I've been able to build and how I can help you possibly, if you're willing to learn, if you really wanted to understand order flow, really understand order flow. And I don't mean anything to do with no chart patterns. Okay, I'm going to show you the ins and outs of the market, how the market really moves. Okay, how the patterns of the order flow, the traps, the squeezes, exactly what these prints show you. Okay. I touched upon this about another video called "What is Order Flow," and I kind of jumped into that, and I'll briefly kind of go over it real quick. But for order flow, I am a footprint trader. Okay, I use a whole another thing on top of the footprint traders, which I'll never discuss publicly. Okay, but I like to consider myself a master of the footprint. I understand so much of this chart because I've watched thousands and thousands and thousands of replay hours on it. Okay. I understand exactly what they do, how they move price, how they rotate price, the signs on the footprint when the top and the bottom is the inability to print, the heavy printing, the inability to print, the acceptance, the closes, strong buying, strong selling, the understanding of fractal mathematics, which again I won't discuss ever. But I'll use the order. I'll teach you how to read the order flow. Very, very awesome tool. Um, a lot of people get intimidated by, these numbers, right? But trust me, there's an art to this, right? And there's so much information if you're willing to look at it and really dissect it. There's so much anything you need to know about an auction goes on in here, right? You can look at a daily order flow. You can look at a weekly order flow. You can look at a monthly order flow. You can look at a 5 minute order flow, 10 minute, whatever it helps with the style of trading that you're comfortable with. It will help you immensely because you'll understand the tricks and you'll be able to understand and visualize how the market is moving. Visualizing is such a key component, right? You can see all the time and sales you want, but if you can graph the time and sales and actually study it to your eyes bleed and really understand how they move price, bids moving up, supporting prices, we continue to move up all the way up until we hit distribution. Then we rotate back down to where the main bid of the day is. Then we rotate back up, more distribution, comes back down to the main bid of the day, breaks that bid, washes down to the open bid, rotate back up off the open bid where the current offer is. And you'll be able to understand how positions get moved around during the day. You'll be able to look at a daily order flow chart at the end and say, wow, look at this trap that's being set. Look at all these thin prints all the way back up 80 points. You'll be able to make a strong weekly plan, daily plan based off the structure and the positioning that's been built in the market. I use initial balance and a term I've coined initial positioning. I like using the first hour to really dissect who's getting positioned where. This is why I don't trade in the first hour. There's no need to, right? You want to use that as data to understand how the bids and offers are getting positioned, who's in control, and who's about to get bent. Okay, you can see that coming a mile away. Um, so much more, right? So let me just kind of break down what we're doing. Okay, so I have a small team. I've decided to open up the order flow side of it because I'm so sick and tired of seeing people shown the wrong way, right? The wrong way. And by wrong way, I mean smaller time frames, chart patterns, moving averages, RSI, all this retail crap. Okay. It's all crap, you guys. All you need to understand is tape, right? And sessions and time. Okay. This is stuff that most people will never show you because they don't understand it. Okay. If you come and learn the order flow, I will turn you, maybe you won't execute like me. Maybe you're not comfortable in a 30-minute chart. Maybe you're just comfortable scalping, but I'll teach you how to read the order flow to where you're like, I got this. I see things so much more clearly than just a simple candlestick. There's so much information in this candlestick right now to dissect that when you just look at this candlestick, you're just like, oh, okay, it's a candlestick, right? But the information that's inside that candle is is priceless. There's so much information in there as to what's about to happen next. Okay. This is what I want to hammer home to people. So what does it entail? Right? Like what do I do? Well, basically, guys, I'm on the mic um, 30 minutes before the open. I discuss open plans, open trade plans, and my levels that I'm basically working off of NQ, ES. And if anybody trades anything else like gold, oil, I'm more than happy to discuss those levels. I have them up on my charts every day, but primarily guys are trading NQ and ES. You NQ traders, I promise you, I'll get you over to the ES and I'll show you why the ES is a much better instrument. Okay. In time. You come and learn and I'll show you the way. So I'm on the mic an hour before the day gets, or sorry, half an hour before the bell rings. When the bell rings, I'm on the mic the total balance session. Talk about levels, acceptance, exactly what I see on the tape. I have these charts up for everybody in the room who doesn't want Sierra charts, who doesn't want to invest in it. I highly suggest you do because you can run replays like this and watch the order flow. You can rewatch the tape. That's how I learned. I rewatched thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of tape because I had to teach myself how to read this. So I'm on there. I'm on there for the entire balance session of the day. And then I'm basically in the room all day as typing support. When the market closes, I'm launching another video and I'm doing an hour recap. Okay. You guys will be like, oh, yeah, right. Like, this guy's not doing an hour recap every day. Check this out. Okay. Look at this. This is my video library. Okay. This is not to lie, but, or not to brag, but check this out. This is my video library. This is just the market recap section, right? There's so much more in here. Okay, so check this out. Let me just move myself down here a little bit. Oh, I can't really. How do I? Oh, can I go down here? I can't go down. Hold on a sec here. How do I do this here? Let me move myself over here. Can I move myself over here? Is there a? Oh, there we go. This is just one page, right? There's over 16 pages. Each one of these videos is an hour long. I do these every single day. Okay, so scroll down. Okay, this is every single day, guys. Okay, this is called ongoing support, and this goes on for 16 plus pages. Okay, we have built a tremendous order flow library, market recap library, just a way to thoroughly understand the market. And I do these every day. This is ongoing education, right? There's a start here section that I ask everybody to start into. I'll be updating that as well. A lot of the stuff is not applicable anymore. We don't trade a lot of Forex or crypto anymore. Just a lot of like old stuff from when we started a long time ago. But you will understand very quickly how to get down and how to actually read. Okay. Um, Another section, we have Sierra charts. If you're huge Sierra charts fan like I am, you can learn how to set up Sierra charts. Um, and when you're in Sierra Charts, if you do have a Sierra Charts account and you're in here, you get this free Delta tool. This is something that we've coded in the room. And this is what I watch beside the footprint. Okay. There's very key stuff that goes on in the Delta. And the Delta is just reflecting the difference in the bid and ask volume that's traded. Okay. And this is how I can tell a whole lot what's going on, right? By watching again the flow of the orders, right? And this is all you need to really understand what's going on, right? And if you're able to zoom out, get off those 1 minute chart patterns, 5 minute bull flag, the 9 EMA, your RSI, or your 13.5 MA Ross, I will teach you to get off that, simplify your charts, and have the confidence to trade properly. Okay. And by properly, I guess that's subjective, right? Some people are really comfy and they make a living out of scalping 2, 3 points. But as these series of videos will show, you're going to be able to hold for much, much bigger moves because you're going to understand the context of the market, and that's what's missing. Most people have no idea what context means. Okay, guys? Every day there's a bull case and a bear case. There's certain key levels that are always in play and they're not obvious, right? But they will be obvious once you're able to dissect the order flow. Okay. But it takes time, right? You're going to be able to look at a weekly order flow chart, a daily order flow chart, a 4 hour order flow chart. If you're a 5 minute scalper and you're dedicated to that time frame, cool. I can show you how to take advantage of that and how to maximize it for more gains than you're probably getting right now, right? If you're really, really dedicated to that. But it's going to take some work. I give you all the tools and I'll show you everything that I know about the tape because, man, excuse me, there's so much terrible information out there. It's terrible. And it drives me nuts because I see people blowing up. And I'm going to address that in another video on how to never blow up, right? And I'll hammer that point home. So, that being said, come and learn. It's only $50 a month. I will hammer this home for you. You'll get my exact same trade plan, everything that I'm laying out for the day. I'm not going to go into the fractal side of things because that's private. That's private for me to understand. But order flow is open for everybody. It's the flow of orders, it's the tape. It's just how you choose to read it. I'll show you why level 2 is junk, right? I'll show you why the dome for me is junk, right? And why is it junk? Well, I addressed that in the order flow video. It's because you want to trade with the people that are transacting. You shouldn't care about anything else, man. You shouldn't care about anything else but the volume that's transacting. That's positioning, right? That tells you exactly what's going on in the market at all times. And then these levels will jump out at you. You'll be able to create your own levels and you'll have the confidence to hold, right? And I'll show you how to hold for those moves, right? But this is what we do, right? So again, you'll get me for you know, 30 minutes before the bell, full hour during the bell, live on the mic. I keep my screens up all day, right? You'll pretty much see exactly what you got seeing in front of you. If you want to set up Sierra, I can help you with that. You know, I'm really well versed in Sierra charts. I love the platform. Trying to think of anything else. I don't think there's too much more to kind of go over. This is just short and sweet. I wanted to say what's up. I might have been gone, but I'm back, right? I haven't been gone. I've just been building in the background, man. And I've been trying to get the word out on Twitter, you know, with a lot of posts, but it just seems to get no traction. The only thing that are people are, you know, they want to see are Lambos, right? And I'm not into that type of person. So if you are that type of person that's just coming for big gains and you know you're that type of person, you know, this place won't be for you, right? I'm just gonna tell you right now, this place is for people who are serious about wanting to learn. I will invest my time. Trust me, I'm a busy guy. I got 2 little boys. I'm busy. Busy. But if you're willing to work, jump into this library and I will challenge you to become a better trader. I challenge myself every day, man. Every single day I'm trying to get better. So you want to learn the order flow? You want to know how the market really moves? You want to challenge yourself to hold for bigger wins, to maximize those things to 3, 4R, 5R, 6R wins? Show you how to do that, right? Because once you understand how the market moves as a whole, all the tips and tricks in there, you'll realize that that 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute moving averages, Ichimoku cloud, inverted RSI, FGBVs, whatever the hell it is, you'll realize it's all crap, right? You'll learn the power of the 30-minute chart, right? I've said it before. I said in the last video, why 30-minute chart? Because decisions are made every 30 minutes. They're also made every 4 hours, okay? So why trade a 1 minute chart? Why you want to get bent on a 1 minute chart, right? I typically wait 3, 4 hours before an entry because everything has to set up properly. Once everything sets up properly, there's 85% win rate, right? 32R on the month, right? That's what's available to you if you can learn to wait. And I'll show you how to have patience, right? If you're willing to learn. So here it is. I don't want to blab too long. I just wanted to say what's up. It's kind of a hello. I'm back, I'm here, and you're going to see constant updates from me on this channel, right? Every single day, you're going to see a video posted of my trade plan, how my levels executed, how they played out, and I'll post all the key stuff that I update in the room as the order flow is unraveling. I'll probably post the odd free live session up here so you can actually hear me live dissecting the tape. So you can just hear it's real. Okay. I'm not going to lie to you. It's real. So links down below. If you want to hit that like and subscribe button, please go ahead. Help me grow this channel. I will be constantly posting here. No BS crap. Okay. I'm not gonna put BS crap in this channel. It's all gonna be legitimate stuff. So like and subscribe. I'll keep the updates coming, and you guys can be confident that I'll give you quality product here. So hopefully we'll see you in the room. Come and learn, man. I'll put the time into you if you're willing to learn, right? And again, we got a massive, massive library built now, and I'm really, really proud of it. And if you want to find some value and learn some really cool new tricks for your trading, I'll be there, man. See you guys there. All right. Ciao for now.